Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hey Kashif,
Hey Anand, how are you?
I just exited gold sales.
Your voice is too low.
I said I just exited gold sales.
Okay.
Captured around
Right.
500.
Yeah, let's look at the chart.
I'm still sell by up. I think it will go up a little and start falling again.
I can't hear you. You're inaudible.
One second. Can you hear me now?
A little better.
Okay. So what I'm saying is gold is still bearish. I might look for another sell once it pulls back up a little.
Yeah, let's look at the charts.
You're on buy.
Yeah, I'm on a buy position on gold. Like I've been discussing this setup since London, so I'm in a buy on this. Let's see.
Yeah, so I think around 30 range I will look for sell again. 35 range. Is anyone else joining today or is just us?
Sorry.
Is anyone else is joining or it's just us?
This is just us. Let me just bring in my community onto this live.
My mouse is not working. Are you currently trading funding accounts?
Yep. So basically, I was looking at this 30-minute demand zone onto this. Like we executed a swing buy on gold from here in the community last night, and that swing is still running. Like targeting like 4,700 on this position. It's still running on my live swing account for 4,700, and I've just added this an add-on right here. This is an add-on because I was expecting a pullback from these highs and this whole demand zone. So I'm in an early buy right here. It it might go deep as well, like into this buy zone, like no problem. I'll add more buys from this demand zone. But overall, like I'm holding buys on Nasdaq. Oh, sorry, on gold for 4,700. Because I think like there is a market structure shift right now. I think there's a market structure shift right now, but price is not continuing above this. So even if it comes down deep, like let's say if it induces all the retailers and start to go buy from here, I will add on another buy on this. And mostly, basically, I'm targeting on this buy, like I'm targeting London highs right now. Let's look at the high time frame structure because I think like I can feel it's gonna go more down because if we look at the 30-minute time frame, there's not it is not a strong bullish closure last candle. It just this 30-minute candle it just left a wick right here. So based on this, I do anticipate it can go deep into this buy zone, this whole buy zone, and once I get proper, proper momentum market structure shift, that will be my buy. And this might happen like in an NYSE session or post NY session. So I'm just calm right here. Like I am just in with a 0.25 20% risk on my live account. So let's see how far it goes.
See, overall, currently the trend is bearish. So I would personally look for sales, but I would look for a pullback and look for sales, and later I look for buys later in the New York. Is that a good?
Short short term, yeah, short term like it sells, but if you look at the high time frame, there's a very strong support around these levels 43 50 40. Like as long as on the high time frames we are closing above we are closing above 4350 or 4300, even 4300, like I'm taking buys only. US 30, like I see like it's just going bearish, like stocks, US stocks, they're crashing. So on Nasdaq, like the monthly candle, like this monthly candle is gonna close in like 3 days, and the way it's closing bearish, like without a wick rejection, like I do sense like the next monthly candle it can make a bottom wick down to this level right here. 22 to 50, 22 to 50 is where I see the Nasdaq going. And even if we check the weekly time frame, if we check the weekly, on the weekly time frame, yep, this looks up, resistance becomes support. And like if we just look at the weekly time frame on Nasdaq, we have seen like Nasdaq has corrected whenever like there is a push up. Nasdaq at least has corrected like 30% to 40% of the price leg. Like for example, if we if you look at this leg right here, this bullish leg from here to here, you can see like there is a how much, like 36% retracement from this to this. Like there's a 37%, almost like 40% retracement, like 37, yeah, to be precise. If I look at the precise, like, from the top to the bottom, yeah, like 38%. And similarly, like this leg, if you look at this leg right here, this bullish leg on Nasdaq right here, we see like it crashed before. So again, there was from this high to this low on Nasdaq, again like 26% retracement. Now, if you look at right now at this recent, like from this low to this high, technically, from this high to this low, this is like 15% right here retracement. If it goes down like 23%, yeah, this at least 20 to 50% retracement I'm expecting. Like this whole zone right here, you see, is going to be my buy zone on Nasdaq, right? So I'm expecting this to crash, US Iran situation calms down, and then we rally again. And it can, no doubt, it can, if you see right here, there has been moments like when it left a wick, these kind of liquidation wicks. So we can also expect some sort of liquidation wicks as well right here. This is my like weekly outlook on Nasdaq. This is my weekly outlook on Nasdaq, and you see like it's not far. It's on the 4 hour time frame. It's not far. Like it's just like how much points away. It's just like 1,000 points away. 1,000 points away. This zone easily done. Gold. Let's look at gold as well at the same time on the 1 minute time frame. Yep. So this trade has gave deep wick rejection right here. Now it's above my entry. Let me just check my buys. Yep, nice. Actually, my buys are from not from here. This is the sticker like I sent to my community that the market structure shift is here, right? But I am in a bias from way before the market structure shift. The way I see right now, my entry is 4412 and 4415. These are my two entries: 4412 and 4415. If I average it down, like it's 4414, right? So this is what I'm expecting on this trade, and my risk is minimum, right? My risk is still low. It's 0.20% because I'm in buys from 4360, 4370. Like these are all my swing buys that I executed with my Discord community. So these were discussed. Now that buy zone, like there's a good reaction from here, very good reaction from here, and I do think like if you can break above this high right here, if you can break above this high, it will be printing another move of like 4438, like 443238, like this. Technically, my trade that would be a clean 1 to 2 right here. The initial like 1 to 2 is where I will move my stops to break even and I'll secure some. My targets has increased in my trading because I used to secure partials at 1 to 1, but now like it's high risk to high reward trade. So I will be booking 0.5% right here, 50% booking partials, partial secure, plus I will be partial secure, plus I will be moving SL to BE, risk free. This is the point at 1 to 2, and then I can literally target these London highs for a 1 to 5 on this. Risk free. Yep, let's let me just also share my trades as well. Understand. Entire screen. Taufiq the goat. Man, congratulations.
Fishes.
Congratulations. Big fish,
Finally,
big.
fi- finally after years, it's still not five-figure payout, right? Four funds, 10,000. Four-figure payout. You're muted.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Hi, Kashif bhai. Hi, Anandha bhai. कैसे हो? Finally, after so long time.
Yeah.
And actually, I was just sleeping. I just woke up for this stream. And
Bro,
Ananda was telling me that I am banned from this stream.
Man, it was a very clean payout. Like I've seen your trades, like selling like the tops and buying the bottoms, like
So
very seven
that
thousand.
same trade, I just took out an SL and it dropped like 3, 4 thousand, 5,000. I was like, I had a position size of 1.5 lot. That day was so tilting for me.
You sold on your 250K account?
Yeah,
Oh,
1.5 lot. It just took out my SL like $3,500 and dropped. Like I would have made easily 22,000 dollars that day. It's okay.
it's happened.
I'm currently just aiming for 1% every week, so I think it's going fine. I'm just gonna stick to that.
Okay, so you are into any trade?
Yeah, we are in
I
buy.
just exited, I just exited gold sales. I captured like 500 pips. Can you guys see?
Nowadays, 500 pips become so casual, guy.
Uh,
We people used to talk about 100 pips, max to max 200 pips. Now we all like, I just got 500 pips, 1000 pips. It's become casual.
What's happening? Are you guys able to see my screen?
No,
no, your screen is not shared. I think
Yeah, my 1 to 2 hit, guys, 1 to 2 hit, and I'm securing partials. Let me just
are you
bring
planning
gold.
like Kasif, are you planning to short? You are completely bullish on gold.
Wait, just sorry.
I'm completely bullish on gold from here, but
Completely bullish. Like I see gold and silver going like 4,700 from here. Like I not just buying gold like the bottoms. I've also bought physical silver like good quantity. So guys, these buys right here, uh, 1 to 2 hit on this, and this trade was pre-planned. Like in my Discord, like we were waiting since London for the price to tap into this demand zone. If the community is here on the YouTube, just smash the W's, smash the W's. The way we uh, positioned ourselves into this trade, and it's like above like are my swings from the bottom. This loss is on Nasdaq, by the way. I'm thinking to cut this Nasdaq, but these last two positions like on gold. So I have secured half.
my ideal plan was to start from this level. Just reach that level I was targeting. I'll be like shorting for this level.
Yeah,
Just
boys,
risk.
make sure to
Just risk
secure
one.
this.
I'm in a trade. I just risk 1%. Let's see what I can achieve. I'm planning to hold till New York Open and today's New York completely.
Yes, I'm break even now. Like I've secured 60% of my profits at 1 to 2 right here. But now I'm gonna hold the rest of my position till London high. So if it takes me out at break even, it's okay. Like I've already booked some money.
I hope mine hits TP and yours at B.
I'm fine with that. I've secured like 60% profits already. Yeah. But gold is very lucrative, like buys and sells like price action is smooth. And Taufiq is taking a big advantage of this.
as far as long there is volume, I know that I can win it at least 70-80% time.
And that looks very nice, like behind you, like your funding pip certificates. 1, 2, 3,
There is
the payout.
three
Man,
big
He
they're
copied
looking very
it.
nice.
He copied
Very
it.
nice.
two, three more
Copied
are
it.
coming.
Yeah. And
Actually, I was a bit unlucky at that time when I took the that trade. almost 3,000 pips. I was also having a 100K master account and another 50K account, but unluckily I breached both of them the day before that 3,000 pips trade. But if that account I have, I could make easily a lot of money. But still, I'm still happy that whatever I'm getting right now. Yesterday I made almost.
I'm exiting my trade. I think
You guys
I
are into
re-
bias.
I was on sell. So
Okay,
I'm
nice trade, nice trade. Actually, I was
I
about to
would.
call out, but I saw that Kashif Bhai into is in bias, so I was just waiting.
We both made money. Like I bought it I bought it from 4414,
Hmm.
and I secured like 60% of my positions at 4432 and moved my stops to break even. And Anand, I guess, sold like the stop. He said it like on live, like I'm gonna sell from 443 to 30.
Kashif Bhai, I
So we
saw
both
you
made.
in initial session that you took a very good bias. Didn't you book the profit?
No. That I'm holding. That I'm holding.
Bro, I don't think that gold is going to be 4,700 at least 1 to 2 weeks before it has to go. I think 4,000, and then we can see. But right now, it's very tough to go
Yeah,
directly
it
1,700.
it can, no doubt it can, because if I look at the technically speaking, if I look at the price section throughout this week, gold struggled to trade above 4,500, right?
Hmm.
Whenever like it reached 4,500, like it rejected and pushed down. Even today, like London session, if you see, like there was a massive push up and we got a rejection from 4475. Now technically on the 4 hour time frame, if you even if you just look at the weekly candle, like let's do the weekly candle. The weekly candle is closing bearish. There's no bullish closure, right? And we know like gold, whenever it dumps, like if it had to pump, like it would have already been above 5,000, right?
Hmm.
Even on the daily, like if you look at the daily, like what did you see? You see like after this liquidation, big liquidation, two daily candles closed bullish. There was a weak bullish closure on the daily, and the next candle closed impulsively bearish. Like, and this is like what is this like? What do you call this pattern? Shooting star, morning star. It's
I don't
kind of
call it anything. I just call it a doji followed by candle break the dojis lows.
yeah. So like today daily candle closure is very important. It's very critical because the way I visualize and see it, like if you simply look at the daily candle, if this daily candle engulfs bullish the previous bearish candle, like let's say if we get a closure above 45.50 today, then the following coming week you're gonna see gold going back up to 4,700, 800, like all of these big three candles, like they will be mirrored. But if the current daily candle, if it flips bearish and it closes bearish, then you can expect this liquidity at 4,100 to be taken out, because then it would be just a wick fill on the weekly, just a wick fill on the weekly to the downside. So there's right now two scenarios, and the daily candle closure is very important.
Hmm, right.
And about the bias I got this morning, like I'm holding, even if it drops, like I'm not gonna book in a loss, because the trade I took these trades on my swing account, like with a good deposit and very less risk. So gold technically, if it falls, I'm gonna buy more. It's just like I had to buy like physical gold with the same amount. So instead of buying physical gold, I just deposited that full amount into my a live account, and I'm just buying in parts, right? So even if it goes like for 3,800, 4,000, actually I want it to drop. If you ask me personally, I want gold to crash like 3,600, 3,800, 3,900, because it would give me a very good opportunity to position myself in from a very bottom.
Hmm.
Is the break even still not hit? Still running.
close my trade at 130 pips. Fine.
That's great. Yeah, this is a very good push. This is a very good push. Let's take in some chat. Chart fresh. Gold is literally collecting its debt from day traders. 100%, 100%. Because last night, guys, like what happened? There, like suddenly, like 1 a.m. in the morning, on my like notifications, there were 5 notifications from investing.com that 5 bots spotted like Iran US war, and Iran Trump was tweeting that we will not we will not have mercy on Iran, blah blah blah, whatever, like the way the kids do. Trump was doing something like that. And after, like, on his tweets, gold dropped, like it dropped to 43.50. There was panic, like a sell off, literally. Every candle was dropping like 50, 60, 100 pips, like on the 1 minute time frame. And after 5 minutes, there was a tweet from Trump Cabinet Department that we pray and we invite Iran for peace deals. What the fuck? And gold started to pump back up. Like immediately, gold pumped up from
I
43.50
was
up.
the happiest one after seeing that trade. Actually, I was
Yeah,
into bias before that news coming up, and I was
yeah,
like long with one lot, and I closed it on 3.5K dollars. I was very happy, man, after seeing that tweet.
yeah. But there was a very clean manipulation, like on Twitter, like uh, from Trump. Like you can, even a kid can see like how they are manipulating the markets through the tweet. Even a kid can see that. It feels like a meme coin. Like we're not trading gold anymore. We're trading meme coin.
Right,
Pumps
dude.
and pumps.
And if you look at the silver becomes like it's drop every day 10%, recover 5%, then drop again 10-12%, then again recover 5% in the NY session.
Yes, 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 yes.
Like them.
Like, this was, I guess this was yesterday. Like it dropped and it pumped up. Like silver is actually more, it gives more gains than gold. Because if you look at this order block, this buy demand zone from $66 to $67, price action tapped into this like once, pushed up. It tapped into this, pushed up, right? Even right here, it tapped into this, pushed up. And now again, it's heading towards this zone. So what do you expect? Like maybe go deeper and push up. Because as long as I believe, like as long as the candles are closing above $65 on silver, we are bullish. We are bullish. And even this, like if it drops like this, I will be looking at the higher time frame, because lower time frame candles might close below, and traders might get into sells or close their position, and then the higher time frame, let's say 4 hour daily candle, leaves a wick and goes back up, right? So there will be another buy opportunity on silver and gold, like the way I see it, with the current price action structure.
But if you look at the current 5 minute, is this is still giving a buying opportunity.
On silver,
On gold,
yeah, gold, yes,
15 minute
yes.
is
Look at,
also looking good, but I call it out a week, so I don't want to log in my account again. But it's looking good for the buyers. We can easily reach out to 4468.
yeah, yeah, 4468. That is London highs, 4463, and that is my target. So it's like very clean, very clean.
Let me see, is there any news or not?
Yeah, please do. But you are doing very good, like because when I saw your payout, like I thought you did a payout over 100K, like 7%. But then I see like it's a 50K, like $7,000 on 50K funded. Crazy.
This is only possible in funding piece. Elsewhere, I will be banned, guys.
Man, we are real traders. We provide education. We trade. We manage risk. No one can deny us. And like as long as we follow the rules, it's all good.
Your typing speed is so fast, Kashif bhai.
Hmm?
Your typing speed is damn fast.
Yeah, I typed without looking at the keyboard. I was just sending to my Discord community this straight result. It's cool. It's cool. How much are you funded, Taufiq, on funding pips?
Right now I have having 150k.
150K. Nice. Man, I'm zero right now, and I'm gonna purchase like next week,
I don't know
Monday.
why nowadays futures is so tough for me, and I'm not able to trade it properly. Yesterday I closed close to three accounts of a different firm, and earlier days I was doing very well in futures, but nowadays only CFD and personal broker. But I like the way funding pips reduce the leverage. If they didn't reduce the leverage, I must blown my whole account due to high lots and all. So that's the advantage as well sometimes.
Yeah, nice, nice, nice. And how are you spending your $7,000 payout?
Actually, I have close to 14k right now, and I'm planning for a car my birthday. And actually, I'm also looking for a flat, like to shift my family. I'm still thinking whether I should go for the car or a flat.
Nah,
Like,
I wouldn't recommend go for the car because like if you will go the car, like the hustle mentality in you, like hard work,
yeah.
you will start to see lack in that. This is the
Hmm.
time right now for you to hustle more because you are sitting on a lifetime changing opportunity. The way I see it, $14,000, you can buy multiple challenges. You can just play the probability, rinse and repeat. You can
Hmm.
convert that to 100K. So just try to.
Yeah, I will definitely go for a property or a flat, and then we'll see later on about the car and all stuff. Also, I'm a bike guy, guys. I don't like car and all.
Same,
Until
same.
unless I don't have one, unless I don't have one, so I'm a bike guy right now. And I'm
Then
seeing Anandha is planning for a
I
defender.
my BMW like 1000R, like it's in showroom. I put it for sell, but
Okay.
there's no customer, like so at the moment, like it's been 1 month, so I'm thinking, like I've been watching some reels and I'm thinking to get it back.
Kashif Ananda is planning for a defender. I
Ah,
hope we will get a big party from him.
Anand be like, Anand be like, let the kid talks, like let, let them think that I'm the friend, but I'm the factory here.
Bro, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna lose more money in trading.
You are a liar, bro. You are a liar. You just keep making
This guy,
money
this guy, this
and
guy,
you keep
Anand.
quiet after making money. Like the way you are sitting in front of us.
Let me tell you, this guy, Anand.
Went
I
off
was
the
on
roof
a Zoom
actually.
session with him.
Hmm?
Like this guy, Anand. I was on a Zoom session with him, and he showed me on a live account. He was in a Bitcoin sell or something, and that was like running in 15,000. I don't know, like maybe 9,000 or 10,000 something. And I told him to secure. Like he said, like nah, I'm just gonna let it run. Like you were in shorts. He was in shorts from I think 85 or 90,000.
I
It is
remember he
like
went for the Dubai. I remember he went for the Dubai, and he's one of the trade is complete reverse after giving almost 15-20k profits. Am I right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah.
saw.
when he takes money for granted, I think.
No, it is not like that. See, I stick to my plan. Okay, let me be honest. Okay, so I'm risking 20,000 and I'm 1:5 trade. Okay, I'll be more tilted booking at 1:2 and it goes to 1:10 than losing my money. Like my mentality is like that.
I mean, like you were
I'll tell
risking
you.
20,000,
Wait,
and
I have made
you
up
had
my
a
mind.
running profit of 15,000. Like, why would you not secure?
That is what I'm telling. I am trying to make 100k from risking 15. Correct. So that
Yeah.
15 is already I'm ready to lose on in my mind. Okay, but I'm not.
Okay.
But the target should be 100. Taking 40 is not okay for me. I should either take 100 or like lose it all.
Okay.
I think Defender price is close to
What is
100.
for me? What
But
is the point of trading?
technically, yeah, I don't think like it's good like you're following your system, but uh, money wise, like it's not a like smart choice. Like you can literally scalp like one to two and reach your goal like
But
100K.
my
Indian
trading,
price is 100.
I am not built like that, right? Like for me, I like see prop firms. Yes, I trade own capital. Yes, but I make sure I have a plan for futures, CMD firms, and also broker. I trade very differently in all three. I trade very different risk management in all three. So yeah, end of the day, we have to make money, so that matters.
Hmm. Yep.
Even now, I'm on Bitcoin shorts.
You are still shorts on Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Okay, let me
He's
see.
shorts on gold. He's betting against.
No, I exited gold. Like it was like 130 pips I captured, I exited. Because that
Yeah,
level was to be respected, so I exited.
Bitcoin
I
is
think
still.
see, right now my plan is to reach 100K guys, the certificate. So after around 75, I had some like family issues and stuff. I didn't trade quite some time. Then when I came back, I literally would have spent like close to $5,000 and haven't was not able to take a single payout. Now I
Mm-hmm.
have completely changed my discipline. Made sure 1-2%. Before what I used to do is I used to trade three accounts differently, making sure okay this or that. I just combine now 1%, solid 1%. 7 days take payout. So I have done close to 20,000 on a single account in less than a month. So that is even better, right? Why to go for home runs or anything? Another 8,000 more dollars. What meant Taufik? Where are you at overall payouts now? 25.
Sorry,
Where are you at overall payouts currently?
my overall payout 30, close to 28K.
Oh, rich guy,
And
rich guy.
actually 4K is also coming in the next week.
Eh,
So I'm
eh, eh.
securing
Will it
payouts.
come? Will it come? Will you be able to not to trade the account?
No, no, I just logged out the whole account. I'm just looking for the payout. I
Logged
still
out the.
remember once I did, I was having $8,000 on my master account and I was keep trading that account and I lost a complete account. And after that, I got a learning that I will never ever trade any account if it's in profit. So don't wanna repeat the same mistakes. What about BTC? I think BTC can easily go to $60,000 from now onwards. The current price is 66K, guys.
Which platform I trade right now? I trade FundingPips. The That is a top CFD platform I trade. Hey, wait, lot of chats have come in. Anand bro, how are you? I am fine, man. Thank you for asking. If you guys have any questions, just ask chat. Taufik is there. If you guys want some giveaway from Taufik, you can guys can ask. He can spare some 100 or $2,000 of his hard-earned money.
Look who is speaking. A monster giant who make
Bro,
easily 10K of
I,
GP.
bro, I do giveaways like very often these days. Like
Yeah, I do
whenever I
as well on Discord, but I can do out of your respect, man.
feeling hungry. So, hello. I'm still going to sell gold after some time. I want to see how it reacts on New York Open. My bias is still sell, but
Nice bias.
if it's not rejecting at higher level 70, 80, I will just not trade today. Taufik is sad from making money.
No, I am not sad, bro. I just woke up and I'm still sleepy right now.
Farming is watching from Philippines. Nice, bro. I always see you commenting, watching from Philippines. Good. A lot of people are making learning. Na, 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 na. Huh? Open BTC chart. Bro, I didn't make 200 from funding views. I'm just trying to make 100, reaching 100K. And I'm struggling. I don't know why.
How much are you right now with funding pips in total?
90,000. Bro, you know what? What happened was this happened actually. Before funding pip used to give certificate, your payout plus the profit split. Okay, before. So in that way, I would have crossed 100K sometime long back. Then later, sometime the new dashboard update, everything happened. Then they what they did, they give started giving certificate where they give after the profit split. You guys got the point.
Mm.
You guys understood? No. Hello. Bro, say
Yep.
something. I can't hear.
Yeah, it's running above 1 to 2 now.
Someone is saying, as a trader, what should be the daily routine? Just wake up, guys, and keep shorting gold.
Don't sleep like Taufiq on New York.
Kashif, you are in profits, right?
Yeah,
Huh?
secured off SL2PE. I'm just updating my computer. Just a moment. Man, managing and running a profitable community is not easy, man. So 24/7.
Like, too tiring actually.
Yes,
Same
bro.
here. By updating everything everywhere, like Telegram, Discord.
Man, sometimes like I miss my trades, even on sometimes like when I'm not live, like I miss my trades, like sending the trades to the community or analysis to the community. Like so, anyone out there like managing community, man, kudos, like shout out. It's not easy.
Hi brother, hi Santosh. Go.
What
No,
prof?
no news event, right?
As a trader, what should be my daily routine? You should wake up and you should buy gold and you should then go back to sleep. And then again wake up, liquidate
If you
again.
wake up and buy gold, you will just get liquidate, bro.
Yeah, like
You need to sell on every market structure shift. Just keep sell on every highs. Whatever you are seeing in front of the charts, you will make money.
Tawfiq, you trade pro or normal?
Pro account, always, bro.
Say pro,
Pro is love,
always.
bro. Like you will get your payouts easily in only 5 days. Weekly
7
payout.
days, but yeah.
Either you will blow that account in 2 days, or you will pass in 1 or 2 days, and you will
I
get funded.
personally love pro. I'm very scared that see, I have this like no scared that a lot of people start using it and somehow like funding people balance it and nerf it. So I'm always scared that they will nerf pro account.
Yeah, even I told Khalid once that don't touch pro accounts. This is the love, bro. Matlab, the way you are getting payout, fast payout, you can pass it easily in 1 or 2 days. No minimum trading days, no bullshit. Simple.
it's Not just about that, like, but the brand value, like the piece you get, like if you're putting efforts, you're putting 1 month or 2 months of efforts in the firm, like you eventually gonna get paid, like given that you followed all the rules, like so the mental peace you get, the security you get, the brand value, like that is the main thing on funding pips, the way I see it. Like there's a lot of firms out there, but does any firm like gives you a security? Like Khalid is here, the team is here. It's a firm that is uh, like exponentially doing good, better than all other firms. We have like we are on more than, we are above like FTMO now. Like, can you imagine? Like FTMO is in industry from 2020 2015. Funding Pips launched like 2022 Feb, and it's already like $255 million in payouts with no payout rejection, no bullshit, no drama, nothing. The amount of security you get, like it's, you cannot deny that.
Look at the gold. It's easily
Yeah,
going for 42 and
it's
4470, 4468 easily.
easily.
Like I don't think any with the sales will come, but it will tap first.
Yeah, the way I see it, there's NY Open, this NY Open, like NYSE Open in 1 hour from now, like in 45 minutes from
In
now.
45 minutes, it can reach easily to 4468, I think.
Yeah, yeah. That I mean, like I don't want to see, because yesterday what happened, like with NYSE Open, it first dropped, then it pushed up. I don't want to see a drop because I just want to see a clean big candle up to my full DP 1 to 5.
Mm,
And as I said, like that doesn't mean I'm just hoping this will go up. I have secured half of my positions. Uh, Let me just show you. So my buys are running, and there's my buys running 4414. There's up at the top, like I've secured half, and stop loss is to break even, and I'm leaving the rest to run.
Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna drop off. I have to head out. See you guys next week. Gold, I'm not taking any trades. I'll wait how market reacts from here.
I know, Ananda, you will sell gold. I know.
Yeah, I will sell gold, but not now. I'll look for some.
Yes,
I
yes,
took
yes.
150 on 30 level. It was good liquidity sweep and push down. I'm happy.
What's
Now
your what's your level for the sales, Ananda? What's your levels? Is it
I will look.
4468?
It has to come today's like
Four three 4450 maybe. Four four
no,
five zero.
I'm going all the way above.
Okay, let's see, guys, how this will goes.
Bye guys.
Actually, like I should just reduce my targets from London highs to 4450, because 4450 is a psychological level. A 4450, yeah. This is I'm thinking to plan my target. Like that would still be a 1 to 4, like just above this 1 to 4.
Yes. Taufiq, brother, you taken any trade today? Yes, bro. I took some trade in Asian session on my live broker account, and I made close to 3K, and I'm just sleeping after that, and I still am sleepy. And I call it out a day, and we'll see charts on the next week how this will goes. But the bias is remain bearish till 3,900. Let's see how this will goes.
I think what's your approach, like passing your challenges? What is your approach?
1% risk on evolution and master account as well. Like I keep add position into my winnings.
Okay, and do you, like, what is your risk to reward average?
Average 1:3 average close to.
Nice.
But the way market is behaving right now, sometimes I hold trade. Last week I caught out a trade at least 1:18 or 20. I don't remember, but I keep hold trade nowadays. The way market is acting, so I just
Man, no,
I
I'm
keep.
I'm genuinely very happy for you. Like, I'm very happy for you, because when we started doing live session on trading, like it was 6 7 months ago. Yeah,
Yeah, bro.
you worked very hard. Nice, good.
Thank you, Kashif bhai. And I'm getting a lot of messages like this. Thank you so much, everyone who is with me from day one. And it was nothing without you guys, without your support. And now that I think I become actually a good trader nowadays. My entries are top notch. Even I feel like how I take this trade, man, and
Your,
I
yeah, your entries are getting top notch day by day.
yeah.
It's all the focus, man. Like the more you stay focused, the more you stay synchronized with the price section, with the charts, with the sessions, the more better entries you get. And this is the reason I told you, like, don't go
Yeah.
for a car right now. Like you should be doubling down on your focus and dedication right now.
Definitely, bro. Definitely. I have a whole year, right? Still to buy a
Yep,
car. I have a whole
yep.
year.
April, May, June, July is, you have like 9 months.
Mhm.
All right, guys. Gold is officially, I guess, 123. 123. Yep, almost 123 now. Let me just here do this. 123. 123 RR. And I guess like you guys got the entry like it because it went to give 4417 to give us an entry. So those in the buys, W's on the chat on the YouTube and bingo.
Should we wind up, Kashif, or we have to wait
Yes,
some?
yes, no, no, let's go. Like 1 2 3. I'm just gonna date. Because like at 6 p.m. I have a session with my Discord community now. So let's wind it up. It was a very
Okay.
good session on trading.
Yes. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, Kashif. See you next week.
Yes, take care. Take care. Enjoy. Enjoy. Take care.